We grounded ourselves, believing Earth was enough. As years without ascent turned into decades, a slow, creeping dread took hold. What silent cosmic obligation did we ignore? What price are we truly paying for our stillness? For millennia, humanity has gazed upon the stars, an innate curiosity driving us to unravel the cosmos's mysteries. From the earliest stargazers to the groundbreaking missions of today, our reach into space has defined an era of unparalleled discovery. We've ventured beyond our atmosphere, placed instruments on distant worlds, and even called the void home for extended periods. Every rocket launch isn't just a triumph of engineering, it's a testament to our insatiable drive to explore, to understand our place in the universe, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. Imagine for a moment a world where this ascent suddenly, irrevocably halts. What if tomorrow, Earth stops launching rockets forever? Not due to war, not due to catastrophe, but simply cessation. The last booster fires, the last satellite deploys, and then
the immediate repercussions of such a decision would be catastrophic for our space infrastructure. First, consider the International Space Station, a beacon of human ingenuity orbiting just 400 kilometers above us. Without regular resupply missions, crucial provisions, parts, and propellants would dwindle. Its orbit, constantly decaying due to atmospheric drag, would go uncorrected. Eventually, within months or a few years, this monumental achievement would be forced into a controlled or potentially uncontrolled descent, burning up in the atmosphere, a fiery end to decades of collaboration. Beyond the ISS, the thousands of operational satellites that power our modern world would begin their slow, inevitable decline. GPS networks, essential for navigation, logistics, and timing worldwide, would fail as older satellites reach end of life and new ones cannot be launched. Weather forecasting, communication networks, critical Earth observation for climate monitoring, disaster prediction, and agricultural planning all would degrade and eventually collapse. Our planet, once meticulously observed from above, would become a less understood place, shrouded once more in scientific uncertainty. The eyes and ears we've placed in the sky, providing invaluable data on everything from polar ice melt to global temperature shifts, would cease to function, leaving us blind to crucial environmental changes.
As the years turn into decades without launches, the consequences would deepen, reshaping not just our technology, but our very worldview. Scientific discovery, the engine of human progress, would slow to a crawl in key astronomical fields. No new deep space telescopes, no new probes to distant planets or moons, no new data from beyond Earth's magnetic shield. Our understanding of the universe, once expanding exponentially, would become stagnant, limited to ground-based observations, heavily impacted by atmospheric interference. Beyond pure science, the technological benefits derived from space research, miniaturization, advanced materials, computing power, medical innovations, would cease to materialize, leading to a profound deceleration of technological progress across all sectors. We would become increasingly vulnerable to cosmic threats. Asteroid detection and deflection capabilities, nascent but vital, would never advance, leaving us exposed to potential devastating impacts without warning or recourse. The dream of space-based solar power, a potential solution to Earth's energy crises, would vanish. The possibility of accessing extraterrestrial resources, from rare elements on asteroids to ice on the Moon and Mars, would be forever out of reach. Humanity, confined to one planet, would lose its ultimate insurance policy and its potential for truly boundless expansion. Perhaps the most profound loss in a world without rocket launches wouldn't be technological or scientific, but existential. Space exploration has always been more than just a means to an end. It's a manifestation of humanity's deepest aspirations. It fosters a sense of wonder, inspires generations to pursue STEM fields,
and unites nations under a common, ambitious goal. It offers perspective, reminding us of our shared fragility on this pale blue dot and the vastness of the cosmos beyond. Without the constant push to explore, to reach higher, to see further, what would become of this innate human drive? Would our collective imagination shrink? Would our dreams become confined to the terrestrial? Our spirit of adventure dimmed? The absence of space missions would mean the end of groundbreaking discoveries that redefine our place in the universe. No new exoplanets offering glimpses of other life. No revelations about the origins of our cosmos. No epic journeys to the frontiers of human understanding. We would become a species that stopped dreaming beyond its immediate surroundings, choosing self-imposed isolation in an infinite universe. The choice to halt our rockets would not merely be a technological regression. It would be a profound surrender of our birthright as explorers. It would be an admission that we are content with what we know and fearful of what lies beyond. And in that surrender, we would lose not just the stars, but a fundamental part of ourselves.
Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos.